Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Hedera HBAR. I have some exciting news for you guys. Look at this. First of all, Hedera HBAR has great partnerships. Nvidia, Intel, and many other big names. We talked about this in a previous video. But what I wanted to bring to your attention is Trump's inauguration on January 19th. We expect some kind of crypto pullback to occur around this time. This is going to be something like a buy the rumor, sell the news event. But in my view, this is going to be a very nice buying opportunity. And after that, altcoins are going to pump hard. Look at this, guys. President-elect Donald Trump plans to make US crypto tax-free. And one of the US cryptocurrencies that are possibly going to be tax-free when you sell and cash out is going to be HBAR, along with XRP, Cardano, and many others. And these are some exciting news, especially for those of you who have been holding HBAR since last year, when HBAR was moving in accumulation, especially for those of you who live in the United States and those of you who are American citizens. If you sell over 500,000 approximately worth of HBAR in US dollars, you are going to have to pay 37% taxes. And this is a lot of money, guys. If you live in a state like New York, New Jersey, California, that you have to pay state taxes also, for every $2 million worth of HBAR that you sell, you might have to pay over $700,000 in taxes. So if you sell $2 million worth of HBAR during the bull run, you are going to be put in your pocket only 1.3 million. That's a lot of money, guys. And that's why Hedera HBAR becoming tax-free as an American crypto is a big deal. Huge deal, guys. This is one of the coins that you want to be holding on. Pay more money into your pocket. This is the chart. We are looking at Hedera Hashgraph over the 4-hour chart on Binance. If you want to find this chart with the Fibonacci levels of support and resistance and many other trading setups on many other altcoins, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a free link in the description below. It's a no-brainer, guys. We have been killing it in the group. Also, do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, Hedera HBAR is currently ranked number 17. The price is at 29 cents, 7.03% down for the day. And the market cap is currently sitting right above 11 billion, 11.23 billion to be exact. As you see here, we had this triangle pattern going on. Hedera recently, at the end of 2024, November, December, moved out of its accumulation zone, moved out of this accumulation phase. The price action started moving above this 200-day moving average, and it pumped all the way up to 39 cents approximately. People took profits, price action pulled back a little bit, and started moving inside this triangle pattern, downtrending. So we have this lower horizontal support level. As you see, we had a nice bounce here, another bounce here, and also we had this upper descending yellow trend line that had been acting as resistance. We got a rejection here, another rejection, a few more rejections here, until the price action broke above this. As you see, we had a breakout and a retest. So for those of you who didn't buy the breakout, for those of you who didn't scale in on the retest, I've been sharing this setup with you on my Telegram group. As you see, the price action pumped all the way up to this key level of resistance at 32 cents, at 0.3294. As you see, we got rejected here before. We had another rejection here after the breakout. And after the breakout, we had two more rejections right at this key level of resistance. So that's a very strong psychological key level of resistance at the moment. For those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, you might want to consider waiting until the price action does its thing, moving below this level. And when you see the price action breaking above this level, you might want to consider buy the breakout, scaling on the retest, wait for a continuation, move to the upside, so you can take at least some profits when the price action hits the rest of the targets that I have here on the chart. We are going to look at the measured moves of this in a bit, but first, let's talk about how we can trade this in a more aggressive manner. As you see here, the price action got rejected again, and we pulled back, and we're currently testing this 200-day moving average. So what I'm doing right now is I am watching for a bounce here. This might be a very nice buying opportunity. If the price action breaks below this 200-day moving average, expect an even deeper retrace. We might see some kind of higher low idea. If this is the lower low, this might be a higher low. Or we might see something like a double bottom idea. Don't let these pullbacks scare you guys. Most people lose their money because they tend to buy green candles. In this channel, we never buy green. We always buy red. We love pullbacks like this. We are wolves. We buy fear. And we are currently in 2025, which is the year of the bull run. So these pullbacks are amazing, life-changing buying opportunities. The deeper the pullback, the greater the potential profits. Even if the price action breaks below this level and this double bottom idea, this possible double bottom idea that I just talked about gets invalidated, we might see the price action experiencing an even deeper retrace all the way down here at this key level of support that's located at 23 cents, 0.2347. As you see, we had a few bounces here in the past. Before the breakout of this triangle pattern, the price action came all the way down here twice, and we bounced on this 2 times. This is a very strong key level of support. So if the price action experiences an even deeper pullback, this is the level that I am watching for a bounce. This is going to be an amazing buying opportunity. So watch for a bounce here, right at this yellow line. That's the 200-day moving average. If the price action breaks below, watch for a higher low or a double bottom idea around this level that's located at 0.2649, 0.2660, something like that. And if the price action experiences an even deeper pullback than this, watch for a bounce at this key level of support that's located at 23 cents, 0.2347. Now let me show you why we love deep pullbacks. For those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, again, you can wait until the price action breaks above this key level of resistance that's located at 32 cents, 0.3294. So you can buy the breakout, scale in on the retest, and wait for a continuation move to the upside. The next Fibonacci level after this is located at 0.3675. The measured move from the breakout to this Fibonacci level at 0.3675, that's an 11% move. The next Fibonacci level is located at 0.4123, and that's a 25% move if you buy the breakout. And the last target that I have here on the chart is located at 45 cents, 0.4547. If you buy the breakout, that's a 38% move. But for those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, higher risk, higher reward play, the idea is to start accumulating at these lower levels, trying to catch a bounce, trying to front run the breakout above this key level of resistance at 0.03294 basically. So if the price action bounces at this 200-day moving average, the measured move to the last Fibonacci level at 45 cents, that's a 54% move approximately. If we see an even deeper pullback forming something like a double bottom idea, the measured move to this last Fibonacci level that I have here on the chart at 45 cents, that's a 71%. And if we are lucky enough for the price action to pull back all the way down here one more time at this key level of support that we bounced previously multiple times, that's going to be an amazing buying opportunity, guys, because the measured move from all the way down here at this key level of support of 0.2347 to this last Fibonacci target that I have here on the chart, 45 cents, that's a 93% move. So you can almost double your money if you catch this move. That's why we love deep pullbacks like this, guys. And again, Hedera HBAR has a market cap of over 11 billion. So this is a heavy token. It needs some kind of liquidity to flow into it in order to make moves like that. Altcoin season is on the way. We might experience some kind of pullback during or after Trump's inauguration. But in the long term, 2025 is expected to be a very nice and very bullish year for altcoins. And HBAR is one of these tokens that are expected to do really, really well. They have huge partnerships, guys. EQTY Lab, Intel, Nvidia, and many, many other big names. We talked about this in a previous video, guys. Hedera HBAR has support from big companies, and it has a huge community behind them. Also, it's an American crypto, and this tax-free idea that President-elect Donald Trump introduced recently is very, very bullish for HBAR. So don't sleep on it. Eventually, at least in my view, HBAR is going to surpass that previous local high that we saw end of 2024, December of 2024. That's located at 39 cents basically. And it's going to start moving higher. I have a few more Fibonacci levels of support and resistance here on the chart. For example, this one right here at 51 cents. From the current price levels to this target, that's a 74% move. If we see a deep pullback all the way down here to this key level of support that we have been bouncing recently, the measured move to this last target of 64 cents, that's a 173% move. Life-changing money, guys. Even if you play it safe and you buy the breakout, you are going to see some kind of 95% move to this target eventually. HBAR has been performing really, really well, and it's expected to perform really, really well in 2025. Don't sleep on it. I used to hold a lot of HBAR, but I sold most of it because I made over a 10x on my money, so I had to take some profits. So I took profits and I moved my money into altcoins that haven't moved yet, mid caps and small caps. But HBAR is one of my favorite picks this cycle. I think it's going to perform very well. That's all I had for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button, and click the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post updates on these Fibonacci levels and price predictions. I am not going to give any price predictions in this video because I did give you my price predictions in a previous video that I made recently. So if you want to find my price predictions, make sure that you watch my other video. Also, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a free link in the description below. It's a no-brainer, guys. We have been killing it in the group. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Trade carefully.